Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 9th, 2022. We are going to talk about a particular stock that may be a buy within a stock market crash. Everyone thinks that when stocks go down, that every stock is going down. That is not the case. There are always markets to where markets are going up. Even when the majority of the market is going down, there is still opportunities out there for those who are bullish. I'm going to show you one today on this video. Not only that, we're going to look at this portfolio right here. It's simulated, it's not real, but I wanted to show you all that not only can you do price predictions on a smaller time frame, you can also do price predictions the way that I do it on a longer term basis. So I've created this portfolio right here so that you all can see it, so y'all can track the stocks that I'm looking to go up in the long term. Now, from my realm, long term means monthly time frame, i.e. 3 months, 6 months. It doesn't mean 5, 10, 20 years. No, that's ridiculous. I simply show you all on a monthly time frame as to where I'm looking for these stocks to go. So before I show you this one stock that needs to be bought during a stock market crash, possibly mean that, let me show you the stocks within this portfolio first. Now, again, if you guys appreciate my videos and my content, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to the channel. This is what I do. So first, we need to make some changes to this portfolio, because if you guys been paying attention to these stocks since I've added it to this portfolio, something has occurred. Now, the first one you guys can see is Krispy Kreme, right? I added this stock on the last video, which is right here. See? This video, or we added this stock to our portfolio right here on like last week, December the 27th, 2021. And the price in Krispy Kreme was around $17.75. And the bullishness into the market came through, didn't it? You see that? And the price even got rejected to where we kind of anticipated it, around $19. Were you able to take the profitability from that play? Because right now, I can already tell that this market weakness is still present in Krispy Kreme donut. And you guys can see it from our portfolio. I didn't exit out the play. So right now I'm down 0.75% just because I didn't let the play go. And now that I see that this price in Krispy Kreme is still showing this weakness, I need to let it go. Yeah, so I need to minimize this 0.75%. I need to take the loss now, because if I don't, I'm going to increase it. Because from a weaker perspective, I'm still seeing weakness on the chart for Krispy Kreme, right? But you tell me, what would you do in this particular situation? Would you let the play go and let the market come down to see if it's going to test this trend? I mean, would you keep the play on and let the market come down to test this ascending line? Or would you let it go? What would you do? Because this is emphatically weak, especially on the 5-day. Yeah, I'm going to let it go. Okay. So if you can't say that you didn't have the opportunity to take the bag, though, because the market literally came to where we said it was going to go. And if you didn't grab it, there would always be other plays. All right, so let me go ahead and get rid of this. Okay. And now let's focus in on the next one, which is Corning, GLW. So let's go ahead and look at this stock. So now here it is. I've been playing the bullishness into the market in Corning since what, the week of November the 16th, right? And you all can see here that basically the market is not giving us that strength, not yet. But I'm still going to hold it because nothing is really going on in the market in Corning. I mean, we're just trading sideways. So again, I'm still looking at the market in Corning. Nothing has changed. I'm still expecting the price to go up. Now, if I continue to see weakness, if I see the market price break below 36, then I know I need to cut this play, because the market's going to continue to dip lower in price. Okay, but so far it hasn't happened. You guys can see where one of the price targets that I have on the chart is around $42. If I hit that, just like in Krispy Kreme donut, I might need to let the play go right there. So I'm just letting you all know that right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the next one. The next one is Green Sky. Okay, GSKY. Take a look. What do you all think? Price going to go up, price going to go down. Yeah, pretty much like Corning. I mean, the market is just trading sideways, which is cool. I appreciate the market continuing to trade sideways, because it lets me know that the prospect of us seeing this price in Green Sky go up is still on the table. And I want you all to see all this volume that came in right here on this week, right? Look at all this volume. Did the price go down? Right here. Did the price go down? No, it didn't. So it still tells me that the market in green sky is trying to go somewhere. And right now it's trying to go up. So I'm just going to extend it out a little bit further. You guys can see one price target right here around $13.25. That might need to be a spot for us to take the bag again. Ultimate area is around 15. Okay, so we're still good on that ramp. Next one is Pilgrims Pride. Okay, PPC. Take a look at this one. What do you all think? You think the market is still going to go up? You still think the market is still a buy? You think that we're going to dip? So far, so good. The market in Pilgrims Pride still looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm still looking for this market to continue to go up in price. I really don't see anything that would substantiate a change to occur. But again, I got $30. So I'm not fully bullish into the market in Pilgrims Pride. We might hit 32 as long as we maintain this strength so far. But as of right now, I'm still looking for the price in Pilgrims Pride to go up. So no changes there. Okay. Next one is Taiwan Semiconductors. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. TSM. So do you see this? Yeah. This is why you need to already have an exit strategy in play, because we've had this stock in the portfolio since August the 30th, 2021, right? Looking for the price to go up. And take a look at what happened. All this volume came in on this weekly price bar. So you tell me, what do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I told you all right there around $133 to take the bag. That is why I got that horizontal line right there. And just last week it did it. Were you able to grab that? Because if you were, you would have gotten 7.75% out the way. Because right now with all this high volume, it kind of looked like the price in Taiwan Semiconductor is going to go down right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the play because I don't like what happened right there. Yeah, I don't like it. And when I see stuff I don't like, I need to cut it. So you guys can see we're only up 0.25%. Hey, you got to take it. Yeah, you have to take it and move on. If you wasn't able to grab that area out around 133, just got to move on. Okay. Now, it doesn't mean that, you know, Taiwan Semiconductor is going to come all the way back down to $20, right? I'm not saying that. But the market is weak. It is showing us that the weakness and the selling is now involved. And if I see buyers come into the market in, you know, Taiwan again, and we hold support around 115, you know, 110, then yeah, that's going to be another play for us to look for the price to go up. But it's not here yet. All right, so that's it. Now, we got these three here that we're going to hold into the market. And the next one that we're going to add is this one. Okay, let me show it to you. The ticker symbol is STG. Okay, I want you all to see this. SunEdison Technology Group. Okay, now, clear to say that this market is in a downtrend, right? I think it's pretty safe to say that. But now, can we see some movement higher for SunEdison Technology Group? Let me zoom in and show it to you. Okay, so while stocks has been coming down the last couple of weeks, what has this stock been doing? Right? What has it been doing? It's been going up. Right? Now, am I massively bullish in this stock? No, I'm not. Not at all. But it is trading opposite of what the majority of the market is doing. While stocks are crashing, this stock is going the opposite way. You got to take note of those things because, like I said, money talks, but noise walks. So if the market is going up while the majority of the stocks is going down, people are placing their money here. Right? This is the 5-day. Now, like I said, I'm not massively bullish. No, I'm not. I can already tell that, you know, we might see some restriction around here. That would be the first spot, around $8.45. Now, you guys can see it from a percentage basis, you know, it's 37% movement higher, which is fantastic. That looks great. Right? From that realm, this is on weekly. So like I said, we cover this for the long term. So I'm going to bring this from a weekly perspective of us looking for this market to go up in Sunland. Now, this is the area right here, because I can see back here in 2020, this low right here corresponds with what happened here, right? The market tried to break Sunland on this particular weekly price bar, August the 30th, 2021. It tried to break above $8.45, but it couldn't do it. And since then, the price has been coming down. Now we're going to try it again. Yeah, we're going to try to see if the market's going to have enough juice, enough momentum to break $8.45. Let's see if it can do it. And this is how high I'm looking for the price to go right now. Okay. From a monthly perspective, all this volume came in Sunland's technology group as well, to kind of show you that something happened. You know, buyers came into the market in Sunland. Now, we definitely need to see the price break $8.45 though, because if we don't, then this is what's going to happen. We're going to continue to consolidate in the long term if we're not able to break $8.45. Okay, so I'm going to add it there. I'm just looking for it to go $8.45 right now. Anything outside of that would need to be watched. Okay, but as of this moment, this is what I'm looking forward to. Okay, now let's see what the other analysts are talking about for this stock before we add it. Okay. It's funny, I really don't even see it here. STG, Sunland's Technology Group. This may be it though, you know. You guys can see no one is even covering it. No analysts, no price targets, no recommendations, nothing. Price was at $6.20. You guys can see up here at the top of my screen, $6.20. So I think this is it right here. Okay. So yeah, they got it listed on the New York Stock Exchange as Sunland's Technology Group, but TipRanks has it listed as Sunland's Online Education Group. Okay. So as you guys can see, no one is paying attention to this market. No one is looking at Sunland's Technology Group, but we are. So I can't add it to the portfolio, but again, I'm looking for the market to come up there to that particular area to give us around 36.67%, right? But we're going to add it under this ticker symbol STG. Okay. So let's go ahead and put it there. So let's go ahead and do what? You want to do 100 shares? Okay. Now, everything is neutral. Like I said, no analyst is following this market for Sunlands. So we're not going to add any information, just like we don't have any information for Green Sky. But you know what? It doesn't mean that the market's not going to go up. So now we're going to follow it. We're going to watch the price in Sunland to see whether or not we're right or wrong. So now it's your turn. Which stock do you think is a buy while majority of the market is going down? When there's a stock crash, when the stock market is crashing, which stock are you paying attention to? You guys can see the one that we've added to our portfolio now. See, we only got 4 stocks right now because we already know the majority of the market is going down. So there's only going to be a select few of stocks that will go up. This is why you're not overly bullish at any given time. This is how you're able to manage a portfolio without wasting hours upon hours of research. Just simply look at what people are already doing. So now, hit me up. Let me know the stock that you're looking at that you think is a buy during the stock market crash. So we might take a look at it as well. That's it. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.